Today's featured car of the day is a 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible with a 427 and a 4-speed. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated 427 engine and 4-speed transmission, not the original engine. Winner of 2 Montana car shows. Mileage shows 40,723, and it sold for $25,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. So I'm not sure if it's a real 427 car and the original engine is gone and it was replaced with another 427, or if it was a 390 car or a 352. It's hard to tell. Didn't say much about it, but judging by the price, I'm going to guess it's not a real 427 car for that kind of money. If it is, then somebody got a great deal. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible with 40,723 miles, with a 427 engine and a 4-speed transmission. And it sold for $25,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.